Hello YouTube. Today is more butterfly knife tricks. I found out butterfly knives aren't illegal and that you get them at Wichita on Third Planet. They're not legal here in Kansas, so you can go to Third Planet, Wichita, Kansas, and just get a nice little cheap one. Today I'm going to be showing you this. How to get the butterfly knife to do this. So first thing you want to do is you're going to grab the safe handle, but this time you're going to go forward. On a big butterfly knife, you want to go to the bottom, and you're going to swing it out like this. Then you're going to grab the safe handle again, you're swing it forward like this, and then you're going to grab this again, and you're going to grab it like this. And to get it back up to like the normal position, sorry, I'm holding a camera, you're going to do this. Ta-da! So again, dang it, I'm messing up. So you just want to do this. See what I did there? I'll show you again. Hold on. This is a Lego butterfly knife, by the way. Fuck, what am I doing? Get it back up. Sorry, I've been a little mixed up because I don't always know my little butterfly knife tricks. I don't have the best camera in the world, so of course you're gonna be seeing it all over the screen, all blurry. But seriously, my little famous trick here is simply just this: 1, 2, 3, 4. You get it closed. Just go. I'm not sure if that's exactly what I'm doing, but it's actually, I just started messing around with this thing, and then I just started, coming up with that way. And of course, I don't know how to do it in slow-mo really good, but I actually played with the real butterfly knife today. My friend Samuel Yaden, he has a brother that's in the military, and he was generous enough to let me play with his butterfly knife. He asked if I was good with my Lego one, and I said, hell yeah. And I started playing around with it, and I was having a hell of a lot of fun. And of course, it's easier to do that meet the spy trick from TF2. And you fling it around here. You swing it over the wrist, and you catch it like this, and you open it. I'm sorry, but I'm holding a camera. It's not easy to do that with Anyway, it just slides over the thumb. You catch it, and you close and you open it. It's just a little fancy trick. I hope you enjoyed the video. Probably didn't because I'm the shittiest YouTuber right now. So sorry. Goodbye. Yeah.